Hi there and welcome to a new video. Today, as you might have seen from the title, we will be investing into two REITs, so into two real estate investment trusts. The first one we're going to be buying today is Simon Property Group. Before we search, I have to first add money actually. So we will add $200. We'll put our US dollar balance, and we still have $338 left on our main Revolut account, and I'm now putting $200 into my Revolut trading account. So let's fund. Okay. Now let's invest. So the first company we're buying into is Simon Property Group. For the moment, they have an excellent dividend yield of 7.68%. Simon Property Group. Okay, here we go. SPG. The stock is at $67 at the moment, and I think this is a good investment for its value and for its dividend yield. So let's go ahead and buy. Here we go. I would like to buy $100 of SPG, which will give me 1.47 shares of SPG stock. Here we go. Review order. We have two commission-free trades left, this month, so I'll be using a second one today. And so we're buying the stock at a price of $67.61 per share. Submit. Your order has been executed. Transactions. Orders, no pending orders, so Simon Property Group should be in our portfolio now. Let's check. Okay, here we have Simon Property Group in our portfolio. Perfect. Now, let's go ahead and invest second time, and now we're going to be buying Realty Income Corporation. Realty. And with their dividend at 4.45%, and they pay out dividends every month, which is really awesome. Okay. 5 years, 1 year. Okay, buy. $100 for this REIT, so Real Estate Investment Trust. Review order. So for $100, this will give us $63. This will give us one share, 1.58 shares of Realty Income Corporation, and the price at which we're buying this stock is $63.16 for one share of Realty Income Corporation. Submit. This will be my last commission-free trade left. Your order has been executed. No pending orders, so this should be in my portfolio now. Here we go. We have Realty Income, which is in my portfolio now. And we now have more than $1,000 in my invested in different companies. ExxonMobil, United Continental Holdings, AT&T, Simon Property Group, Starbucks, Realty Income Corporation, Southwest Airlines, Coca-Cola, and Delta Airlines. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.